turkey, pomegranate, cucumber, rocket, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, pine nuts, basil, and dressed with my nice honey vinaigrette, which has got. Okay, so my name is Silvestro. For anybody who's new, I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago, and it took me 18 months to lose my weight. So today I'm going to bring to you food that you can eat and you can enjoy. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need to go on any silly diets. Diets? What's that? I haven't been on a diet 18 years ago. A Christmas salad, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, rocket, feta cheese, pomegranate, pine nuts, basil, our turkey, which we'll do in the fry pan, dressing, which is oil, garlic, apple cider vinegar, mustard, honey, salt, pepper, plate, mirror, no, it's a plate. It's not a mirror, Silvestro, it's a plate, not a mirror. Okay. So what we need to do is first oil into your pan, and you know it's so hard to find fresh turkey today. Like no one had fresh turkey, but I found fresh turkey. There we go. Salt, pepper, and tiny herbs. When it comes to making a nice light sauce, first of all, put half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and 1 each inside. Then we need to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, followed by 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1 and 2. Some honey. Add pepper and salt, and give it a nice mix. Okay, so we have our dressing done. So now what we need to do is we need to start to get our bowl ready. So let's dress it with rocket. Let's add our turkey. Then we'll add our cucumber. Cut them however you want to cut them. I normally cut them down the middle. Now we've got some nice Australian feta. So you can see the theme. We've always got white, green, and red to make everything look wonderful. Next is our pomegranate. Sweet is we're going to toast some pine nuts. Just a little bit of olive oil. Yes, try to tell that to me. A little bit of olive oil. Pine nuts. 2 handfuls. Put it over heat. Done. pomegranate, basil, leaves in, leaves on. Our turkey, pomegranate, cucumber, rocket, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, pine nuts, basil, and dressed with my nice honey vinaigrette, which has got garlic, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, honey. Things, it takes time. Just celebrate the small wins and provided that you are doing whatever you can do, you write things down, you track it, you will lose weight for the very last and final time. I'm Silvestro, Weight Loss King. Thank you for watching another episode of Let's Cook. I'll see you next year with our new segment where it's 5 ingredients of quick, easy, delicious recipes that will take you no longer than 10 minutes or less to prepare. Thank you. Mirror, mirror, no, it's a plate. It's not a mirror, Silvestro, it's a plate, not a mirror.